Is your Italian fine in your head but embarrassing when you actually speak? Especially when a tiny word like chi or che appears and your whole sentence suddenly collapses. I have fixed these hundreds of times with my students, and the moment they understand these two words properly, their Italian stops sounding confused. So in this video I'm going to show you the simplest way to get chi and che right every time, with examples you can copy today. Coming up, the people room, the things room, and the confusing cases that catches everyone. Alright, let's start. You mixed chi and che because in English everything overlaps. Who, that, which, they all behave like cousins sharing the same apartment. Italians prefer tidy rooms. We separate people and things clearly. Imagine a hallway with two doors. One says persona, the other says oggetto o idea. Your job is simple: to walk into the right room. Here is the easy part. If you are talking about people, you use chi. Chi sei? Non so chi verrà. Chi vuole può entrare. But do not stop listening. This is the simple half, and this is the moment most learners think, oh, okay, chi equals people, got it, bye-bye, and then they click away. Chi works only when you can rewrite the sentences as the person who. Non so chi verrà. Chi vuole può entrare. Chi sei? You cannot say the person who you are. This is just the question form of chi. So yes, chi is people, but it is not everything. If you are thinking, easy, I understand chi now, slow down. This is where Italian becomes interesting. And this is exactly the point where even confident speakers get it wrong. Because Italian also uses che for people. And if you do not know why, your sentences will keep sounding messy and guessed. Let's fix that. Now, the second door. If it is a thing, a concept, or a general that, you use che. Che vuoi? Vorrei sapere che pensi. Che meraviglia! La cosa che voglio dire, and the structure is simple. If the sentence can be rewritten as the thing that, choose che. But here comes the twist. And this twist is the reason people confuse these words. Look at this sentence. La ragazza che amo. L'uomo che ti insegna il tango. Why che if they are people? Here is the truth. In these sentences, che does not mean who, it means that. You are not saying the girl who I love, you are saying the girl that I love. Literally translated. Italian keeps it simple by reusing che in relative clauses, even with people. That is why chi feels easy at first, but che sneaks in and confuses everyone. Once you switch your thinking to person who, chi, versus thing that, che, and person that, che in relative clauses, your Italian stops collapsing mid-sentence. Now, your turn. Fill in the blanks with chi or che. Number one, non so, arriverà. Non so chi arriverà. Number two, la cosa voglio spiegare è semplice. La cosa che voglio spiegare è semplice. Number three, non ricordo mi ha scritto. That could be, non ricordo chi mi ha scritto, who wrote to me, or what he, she wrote to me. Number four, il posto, abbiamo visto, era fantastico. The place that, il posto che abbiamo visto, era fantastico. This is the moment it clicks. The simple half keeps you confident. The tricky half keeps you correct. If you want the next step to fix your flow and stop freezing, watch this video next. And remember, stick to Italian, and Italian will stick to you. Ciao!